Welcome to the MSC Seashore Deluxe Interior Room Tour of 13102. Stateroom 13102 is located on Deck 13 midship on board the MSC Seashore. Let's come inside. Right in front of me, you will see the king bed configuration for this 4-night sailing to Nassau and Ocean Cay. Right to my immediate right is going to be the desk vanity area with an ample mirror as well as your TV, and you also have your mini fridge with the minibar for pay for this stateroom. Also to my immediate left, you will have a wonderful floor-to-ceiling mirror with a chair. On this king-size bed, you will have 2 towels that you can utilize at the beach or at Ocean Cay Marine Reserve. As I pan back around to show you this wonderful stateroom, again, to my immediate right, you will have your floor-to-ceiling mirror, and to my immediate left, the desk vanity area. Right in front of me is a double-sided closet, so let's see what's inside. Inside this side of this spacious closet, you will have ample shelving along with your safe, as well as 2 extra drawers to store your clothing in. Once I slide this door over, on this next side of this wonderful closet, you will have another storage shelf right above, and also a hanging rack for your clothes with more storage underneath as well. As I make my way back to my stateroom door, to my immediate right, you will be having a look into our stateroom bathroom for this short 4-night sailing. It was definitely very nice. Although it was on the smaller side, it did the job for both myself and my mom on the sailing. Thank you for joining me on my stateroom tour of 13102 on board the MSC Seashore.